The Corporate Alliance to End Partner Violence, which is a nonprofit national organization dedicated to reducing the costs and consequences of partner violence at work and eliminating it altogether, recommends 6 steps for companies that are interested in starting a program to address partner violence in the workplace. The first is to organize a multidisciplinary team of the stakeholders. And this can include professionals from human resources, health and medical, legal, security, internal communications, public or media relations or consumer affairs, community outreach, employee assistance programs, and the union if you have one. This team should review existing policies and procedures to determine if there is a policy covering intimate partner violence, and if not, develop one. Train your supervisors and managers to recognize the signs of domestic violence and how to respond appropriately. Your security team should be trained to perform threat assessments. Help create individual workplace safety plans and assist victims of intimate partner violence. In some states, employers can apply for orders of protection on behalf of the victimized employee. Build awareness through workplace communications with employees, such as newsletters, payroll stuffers, email, intranet sites, posters, brochures, etc. Educate your employees on security procedures to help keep themselves and others safe in the workplace, including how to avoid inadvertently giving batterers access to their targets and where to go to report a potential threat. Network with other businesses and groups about how to handle tough and delicate issues and challenges. All states typically have advocacy groups that are active and eager to assist domestic violence survivors, and these groups can work with companies to provide information and guidance in dealing with issues of intimate partner violence. Plan ahead and train your employees, especially HR professionals, managers, and supervisors, what the warning signs are and how to approach an employee who's displaying signs of partner abuse. Have a plan for all possible scenarios, such as if an employee has disclosed that there is an abusive situation or an abusive partner is calling and/or harassing an employee at work. Also plan for the ultimate scenario where an abuser may actually be on site, possibly with a weapon and threatening. There are a number of safeguards that can be implemented to help keep the survivor and the workplace safe, but you do need to have a well-communicated plan ahead of time. Let's talk about the main components of a good workplace policy. Your policy should state that violence or threats of violence will not be tolerated on the premises, and it should specifically state what the consequences are. This holds true whether the person making the threat is to a coworker, vendor, or intimate partner at home, and allows companies to discipline abusive employees who are violent or who threaten violence, including those who use workplace phones, faxes, or emails to harass their intimate partners. As with any policy, this will only be as good as the company's culture allows and supports consistent enforcement. As I said before, create an environment where victimized employees know that they will get help and will not be fired or discriminated against for sharing information with a supervisor or manager.